Picture this. You walk into your office. No monitor, no laptop, not even a phone, just a pair of smart glasses resting on your face. Your calendar appears right in front of your eyes. Your AI assistant whispers updates about your next meeting. And as you look at a coworker, their name, role, and recent projects float subtly beside them. It sounds futuristic, but it's closer than you think. From factories to hospitals, from classrooms to construction sites, smart glasses are quietly rewriting what work looks like. They're making some jobs easier, some jobs faster, and some jobs they're making disappear altogether. This isn't just about new gadgets. It's about a revolution in how humans think, move, and see it work. Welcome to the future of smart jobs. In the past decade, technology has followed one pattern. It's moved closer to us, from desktops to laptops, from laptops to phones, and now from phones to faces. Companies like Meta, Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft are racing to make smart glasses the next essential work tool. These aren't toys anymore. They're turning into productivity machines. Imagine an architect seeing a 3D model of a building hovering above a construction site, or a nurse viewing patient vitals live through her lenses, hands-free, or a warehouse worker picking items twice as fast because their glasses show exactly where to go. That's not science fiction. It's happening today. Boeing, DHL, Siemens, and Walmart already use AR glasses for real-time data, assembly guidance, and logistics efficiency. And the results? Productivity increases of up to 35%, fewer mistakes, and less training time. It's not just new technology, it's a new kind of worker. Let's break it down. What do smart glasses actually do for workers? First, real-time visualization. They overlay instructions, blueprints, or data directly into your vision. A technician fixing a jet engine doesn't need to look down at a manual. The next step floats right in front of them. Second, hands-free communication. Remote experts can literally see what you see, guiding you step by step through your task. It's like having your mentor standing beside you without being there. Third, AI integration. Your glasses can recognize parts, read labels, calculate measurements, or identify errors instantly. They become your second brain, but one that never sleeps. And finally, training. Instead of reading a manual or watching a video, you learn by doing. AR simulations teach workers faster than ever before. That's why companies call this the knowledge multiplier. One expert can now teach dozens, even hundreds, through their lens. Let's take a look at where smart glasses are already reshaping work: manufacturing and logistics. At DHL, AR glasses reduced order picking errors by 40%. Workers see arrows guiding them to the exact shelf and product. No clipboards, no confusion, just precision. Aviation and engineering. At Boeing, technicians use smart glasses to assemble complex wiring. The result? Jobs that used to take 2 days now take 1.5 with fewer errors. Healthcare. Surgeons wear AR overlays that display vitals, X-rays, and 3D scans right over the patient. Paramedics use AR guidance in ambulances for emergency procedures. Field services and maintenance. Imagine a power line technician seeing live voltage data and repair instructions mid-air, or an oil field engineer being guided remotely through complex repairs in dangerous zones. Education and training. Smart glasses are entering classrooms, allowing students to explore human anatomy, physics simulations, or history reenactments in 3D. Every one of these examples points to the same truth. Smart glasses don't just change where we work, they change how we think while working. But here's the twist. Every time a new technology helps humans work faster, it also replaces someone else's job. And our glasses are no exception. Some roles, like inspection, documentation, or basic training, are being automated. Machines can see what workers see and make decisions instantly. In factories, one expert can now oversee 10 workers through AR instead of one. That's amazing efficiency, and it's terrifying job compression. But there's another side to this story. For millions of workers, smart glasses are a bridge, not a threat. Instead of removing people, they're helping people keep up with automation. They make humans smarter, not obsolete. And in industries facing skill shortages, like healthcare and construction, that's not just convenient, it's necessary. So maybe the real question isn't, will smart glasses replace us? Maybe it's, will we learn fast enough to keep up with them? Now let's talk about something that's already raising alarm. Smart glasses don't just see what you see, they can also record it. They track eye movement, pupil dilation, focus, stress, even emotions. For employers, that's a goldmine. They can analyze performance, monitor productivity, even detect when you're not paying attention. But for employees, that's a digital leash. Imagine working in a warehouse where every glance, blink, and hesitation is tracked, where your glasses know more about your fatigue than you do. It's not just smart work, it's surveillance work. That's why the future of AR jobs won't just depend on the tech. It'll depend on the rules we set, because the line between innovation and intrusion is thinner than ever. So what happens next? Experts predict that by 2030, over 60% of Fortune 500 companies will use AR or smart glasses for at least part of their operations. By 2035, wearable interfaces could become as standard as laptops are today. That means entire career fields will evolve. AR designers, data visualizers, AI training specialists, jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago, will become essential. But it also means digital literacy becomes survival. In a world where information literally lives in your vision, the people who can filter, interpret, and adapt fastest will thrive. This isn't just a tech revolution. It's an evolution of human capability. Picture this: a hybrid office where remote and in-person employees share the same virtual workspace through smart glasses. A surgeon in New York assisting a doctor in rural India live in 3D. A mechanic fixing a spacecraft on Mars, guided by engineers on Earth. The workplace of the future won't be physical, it'll be visual. And as reality and digital space blur, one truth becomes clear: our jobs aren't disappearing. They're transforming into something we've never seen before. Smart glasses won't just change the way you see your work, they'll change the way work sees you. They're tools of power, creativity, and connection, but also of control. The question is, will we use them to enhance our humanity or surrender it? The future of jobs isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about humans becoming smarter through machines. Because in the age of smart glasses, knowledge isn't on your screen anymore. It's in your sight. If you want to see where that future's headed next, make sure to subscribe, because the next innovation might change not just your job, but you.